Pretty. Welcome to Penelope's Pretty Pizza Palace. Today, we're going to count pizza toppings. Drag items from the fridge and put them on the pizza. Click the bell when the toppings are just right. Make a pizza with 3 jewels and 5 flowers. Make a pizza with 3 jewels and 5 flowers. Click the bell when the toppings are just right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a pizza with 3 fairies and 5 wands. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one pretty pizza. You are a master. Floyd needs help cleaning up his toys. Move 4 toys to the toy box. Hit the Done button when you're finished. That's right! Now, put 3 more toys in the toy box. Hit the Done button when you're finished. That's right! You are a master! Let's have a race. First, choose your character. Penelope. Click on each number as you hear it. On your mark, get set, go! Find 9. All right. Find 4. Shred that mountain. Find 8. Great jump. Find 7. Shred that mountain. Find 6. Awesome. Find 3. Great jump. Find 5. You're cruising now. Find 1. Shred that mountain. First place. You got the gold.
There once was a curious critter who lived in a hole in the wall of a big house. He loved to collect all sorts of interesting things. Every day, Critter explored the house. He was small, so no one noticed him as he crept around, looking for wonderful things to add to his collection. First, he found one toothbrush. It was perfect for untangling his fur. Pick one toothbrush for Critter.
One.
He found 2 silver spoons to use as shovels in his garden. Then he dug up 3 mushrooms, which he turned into cushy stools. Find 3 mushrooms for Critter's living room.
One. 2. 3.
Critter carried off 4 socks, each with a different pattern. They made a lovely quilt. Nearby, he found 5 keys to hang on his walls. Choose 5 keys to help Critter decorate.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5.
6 bottle caps made a loud drum set. He found 7 colorful crayons, too, and used them to draw rainbows. Pick 7 crayons for Critter.
One. 2. 4. 5. 6. 7.
8 buttons turned up just in time to play frisbee. 9 shiny coins made fancy dinner plates. And after much digging, he discovered 10 beautiful postage stamps. He put each one in a frame. Count 10 stamps for Critter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Critter was thankful that the family let him borrow their things, so he did little chores and favors for them whenever they went away. He carefully sprinkled dust on the family's shelves when they got too clean, and took the prettiest orange peels and crumpled tissues out of the trash to leave around the house as gifts. Then, after a hard day's work, Critter curled up in his cozy hole and dreamed about all the marvelous things he might find the next day.
You are a master. It's lunchtime. Click on the group that matches the number you hear. How many can you get before time runs out? 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3. Whew! That was some speedy counting. You filled 6 orders. You are a master.